Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Tuesday, March 5th, 2019. Taking a look at our homework for this evening. First and foremost, you've had 2 weeks to do it, but Blizzard Bag number 3 across the board is due tomorrow. No ifs, ands, or buts, because we've had plenty of time to get that done. In math, in regular math, we've started Module 11 quiz today. We will finish that tomorrow. For that and honors, you also need to check Google Classroom. In science, there's an assignment called Earth's Organisms Crossword that you need to do. We also have an Earth's Organisms quiz coming up this Thursday. In social studies and language arts, there is no homework. In literature, the air practice test that is due tomorrow. That is on Google Classroom through Edulastic. And assignment number 5 out of our Surviving the Applewhites packet is due on Friday. I'll reiterate and remind you guys once again, Blizzard Bag number 3 across the board is due tomorrow. So make sure you get it done. If you are missing quite a few assignments or you don't do any of them, it will end up being unexcused absences, and that is something that we do not want to have happen. That's it for today. Have a wonderful Tuesday and stay warm.